Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Foxtail from the D.
Are we live? Okay. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, and this is our Sunday live chat. You already know what we're here to do, and we're just going to go over a few different stocks that you guys want to do some technical analysis on, pretty much. Guys, give me 1 second. Let me put this link up on Instagram. I hope everybody is having an amazing week. No, that is not what I was trying to do. Hold on. I hope everybody is having an amazing week. I hope you guys set your clock back because it is time to have that extra hour and relax. That is not what I wanted to do. Oh my gosh. Anyways, okay, whatever. So what's up, you guys? Lawsuit filed against Travis Scott, Drake, Live Nation. What did Drake have to do with that? Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, Jay Sean, Jonah, JT, Notification Gang? Okay, what's up, Sergio, Jay, Brick, Deaticus? A little lag. It's lagging. If it's lagging, just refresh this screen. It should be doing okay. I have a new computer now, so we shouldn't even have that problem. What's up, Aaron? Katita, that's cute. Nadihi, what's up? Hey, Lena, what's up, Lena? Lena's lovely locks, yes. What's up, Inner Winter? Oh wow, that rhymes. I like that. Breath of me. Okay. Juan V, Teresa, Derek, what's up? Christian, Halloween. Oh no, does it? Oh my gosh, does it still say Halloween? Oh my god. Hold on, can I edit it real quick? Lord have mercy, Lord. Oh, thank you for letting me know. Oh my Lord. Okay, let me know if it's fixed. It should be fixed now. Jesus. What's up? I'm Gucci. Patricia, what's up? Hey, Derek. All right, so first of all, I just want to let you guys know, thank you so much for joining our live. Make sure you click that thumbs up button for me now. Unfortunately, I have not finished editing our top 3 yet, so I'm gonna have to keep this very short. I might do like maybe 5 or 7 stocks to look at. I really just have to finish this video. I had a lot of stuff going on yesterday, so I was not able to really do much yesterday, but it is what it is. Part of life, we gotta go with it. So let's go ahead and let's get right into it from Jay Sean. What's up? What's up, Kimberly, Tanise? Fajer, Locke, what's up? Drea, it's fixed, okay. What's up, Billy? All right, so come on, let's go ahead and let's get into it, you guys, because this is going to be really, really quick. I have to finish this video. So you already know what it is. Just let me know below in the comments what stocks you guys want to go over, and we will do just that. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. All right, so let's do this first one. And this is going to be Apple. Okay, what did you say? Can you look up Apple for me? I have a $155 call option, expires on the 12th. It's at 151 right now. It's not going to give you a lot. Okay, so the only thing is the expiration date is very, very close. So whatever you do with it, it's going to pretty much just eat that up with time decay. Because it's so close. So right now Apple's at 151, and I don't know what profits you have on that, if you have any at all, but if it were me, I would really want to see this stock move up to that previous high that we had opening on Friday at 152. If it doesn't get up there, then I would just go ahead and cut my losses on that option because the expiration is so close. So Unless you actually wanted to buy those 100 shares. That's the only, yeah. So, yeah, that's that on that. That was quick. Yeah, that's all I have to say on that. Okay. What's up? It said it's your first time. Thank you so much. What's up? What's up, China? Reginald Yuri? What's up, Yuri G? All right, so I saw another one after this. Hold on. Okay, so this is from Billy. What's up, Billy? That reminds me of Billy off Hocus Pocus. I don't know. It's just Hocus Pocus season right now. SOFI. So let's look and see. This looks just like Apple. Tech stock. All right, let me see. Let's zoom out a little bit. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Okay, first of all, look at, see, this is what I like. Look at this. It has a really nice uptrend. I really like that. You know, before it was doing okay. Dropped below the little 50-day moving average. Okay. But now, honey, it started moving. What was this? Pretty much at the beginning of September, she started just going crazy. Okay. Now, they do have an earnings report coming up on the 10th. So, what is that? Wednesday or something like that? Yeah, that's Wednesday, right? So they have an earnings report coming up. The stock is in a very strong uptrend. This is all technical, no fundamental. I have no idea what's going on news-wise with the stock. But it does have some pretty strong momentum. One thing, though, with the ADX indicators, looking like the ADX, the white ADX line is kind of starting to... okay, so when you see the ADX above both the DMI plus and minus, and then it kind of does a sharp turn downward, that's kind of an indication that we are kind of starting to lose some momentum. So it could, do a dip like it's done before, a little dip or something like that. It happens. It looks like it might be starting to do a crossover with our exponential moving averages and also with our MACD. So I would just kind of want to see what's going on with that. And I don't know if you actually have some of these shares or if you're interested in doing options. But like I said, they have our earnings coming up. So if you are holding on to some shares, I mean, it could be good. Let's see what, okay, before, let me see. Negative. Ooh, they had a bad earnings loss last time. I mean, the stock has still moved up after that. So yeah, I would really just kind of want to see what happens going into next week for this Wednesday's earnings. And pretty much the same thing what I just said with Apple. I would want to see this stock move up to at least 23 going into 24. If I was holding on to a long position, that would just kind of indicate to me that it's continuing in that uptrend. Or based on what we saw from the 180-day, it could be kind of starting to taper off, have a little bit of a dip. But like I said, we're still in this uptrend, and it did just pass above this previous resistance. So it could be possibly using that previous resistance as a support and continuing upwards. So let's just kind of see what's going on with it, but it definitely has a good pattern here, a good predictable pattern. I like that. Okay. SOFI. What's up, Gary? Oh, okay. Okay, so this is going to be the next one. This is from Gary, and this is NVDA. Is this NVDA? Yeah. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for your girl too. Stop playing with me. Wow. When was the last time we looked at this on our top 3? This was like what, maybe, hold on. Give me 1 second, you guys. Thumbs up while I'm looking for this real quick. Okay, we were talking about that around October the 4th, and when we were looking, oh my, are you freaking kidding me? I know you bro, when we were looking at this a month ago, it was at $207. The shit is at almost $300. Wow. This is really nice. Okay, first of all, dang. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so they have our earnings coming up too. This is earnings season. They have our earnings coming up in a couple, not this week, but the week after next on the 17th. It just hit a high of, 314 on Friday. Bro, this is in a strong uptrend right now. Look at the ADX indicator. Look at how strong that DMI plus is above. First of all, the DMI minus doesn't even have a chance right now. It's all the way down here at 6. Child, DMI plus is up here at 50. ADX is up here at 67. Please. Okay, so I don't know what you're trying to do with this. I don't know if you have a share. I don't know if you're trying to do options, but it's looking really, really nice for NVIDIA. Now let's zoom in just a little bit closer, just kind of, just trying to see what's going on into next week. Wow. Okay, so I would really, it's at 297 right now. I honestly, it's not going to take that much. I want to see it go back to that previous little, resistance that we had on Friday at around 304. Excuse me. So that's not too much. And even though we did kind of drop below the center line on our MACD, it looks like we're moving back up. I want it to shoot up, okay, above that as a sign of it continuing in that uptrend. That would be really good. And then the same stock, the same as we always see. Oh yeah, hey Era. The same thing that we always see on Friday. It's going to be a little neutral. It's not going to give us too much. But going into next week, I would definitely. And then the RSI is it's pretty much, I don't want to say super oversold, but it's pretty low down there. So it definitely has some room to grow. This stock, I mean, please. And what are the options looking like? Lag. Okay. So the implied volatility, it's a little bit high. And the option price, god damn, 2K. Yeah, these options are a little bit high. So if I was going to do anything with that, I would probably, god dog. Yeah, I'll probably do a debit spread or a credit with that. These options are too high for me. Please. But yeah, the stock is looking very, very, very well. Very lucrative. Love that. Thank you so much for that, Gary. Okay. All right, let's get into the next one. This is from, I wanted to say Katniss. I know that's not Katniss. Katia. It's either Katita or Katia. And this is from MMAT. Now, while I'm doing this, I'm really kind of interested in getting into some MMA. Next year, because I've been talking way too much mess and I need to be able to defend myself. Cha-cha! Oh no, what is this? I mean, hold on. Well, okay, one thing I do like about this, okay, first of all, I'm not gonna on the penny stocks, because this is definitely a penny stock. But one thing I do like is it did kind of hit that little high on market, so, kind of close to market open. It was around 8:30 on Friday, that 4.99. Continued upward, and it closed towards the high of the support and resistance zone of that area. So that's a pretty good sign. Going into next week, I would want to see it go to 5 come market open. If it goes to 5.50, then that's definitely a good, well, I don't know if it's going to go to 5.50 that quick. But going up, oh no, and then it's kind of dropping below the center line on the MACD. I kind of want to keep an eye on that. Kind of have a little crossover there. So let's just kind of see what happens with that. Little neutral with the DMI plus and minus. So it's not a super strong trend right now. And the RSI, I mean, it's been pretty low for a while. Oh, this is a weak chart too. But so yeah, like I said, going into next week, I would have an entry. I don't know if you already have this, but I would have my entry probably around 5. Oh, y'all hear those dogs out there going crazy? Yeah, definitely 5. 5.15, somewhere like that. But I mean, this probably might not move too much. It's kind of getting, yeah, I don't know. So Meta Materials, that's cute. Okay. I don't know, Katniss. It's fixed. Okay. Boom. All right. How many have we done? Like 3. All right. Let's keep it going, you guys. Yeah, Lucid did crazy last week. Thank you, Asia. Okay. Let's get into this. This is from Juan, aka Platano? Who is that? I don't know. We're gonna do it anyway. CHPT. This is fun. But I told you guys I can't keep you that long because, charge point. Because I have to finish this video. I don't want to get it out late. Because I know y'all probably like, dang, why she keep putting these videos out at 9 o'clock at night? Alright, so this is pretty cool. We were doing pretty good. What was this? Around, what is that? Not March, but May. It was doing pretty good. Definitely trading above 50-day moving average. Then it had a pretty good drop. Somewhat neutral to a downtrend. And then after it hit this low of 17 right around the beginning of October, kind of started to move up. Now, one thing I kind of like is you see how we kind of have this resistance point right here. Hit it twice. Actually hit it 3 times. Hey, I hit it first. Actually hit it more than that. But yeah, I hit it about 3 times around this 26. So we just tapped that, no pun intended, back on the 1st of this month. Kind of dipped down a little bit, but it's looking like it's trying to make its way back. So let's see with this, the MACD indicator. It's looking like it's trying to hold on. I want to see a crossover with that, the blue over the signal line there. The ADX indicator looks okay. Definitely the buyers are in control right here, so I definitely see that it has a little bit more bullish pressure, even though we did have that sharp turn with the ADX indicator. So let's just kind of wait and see. Is it going to continue on this trend? Was this just a little bit of a pullback after that high that it just hit of 26 and that resistance point, hit it again? So I kind of want to see, is it going to test that again and then break out of that, going into something more. RSI is pretty cool. It's at, what is this? Oh, 57. That's not bad in an uptrend. It's actually pretty neutral. So it definitely has some room to grow. And let me look at the options real quick. Oh, no. All right, the implied volatility is a little bit high. Don't get too afraid of that. And the market maker move, it's not that high either. What are the prices? The prices are, oh, this is all the way in February. Let's look at maybe something around December 3rd. What is it looking like? The options aren't crazy either. Maybe around 200. That's not terrible. So yeah, charge point is looking pretty cute. And this is all technical. I really like to see what's going on news-wise with it. And I don't know if you guys know, but on Friday, they definitely had a lot of news going on with the infrastructure bill. So there's going to be some good things with anything to do with EV stocks, energy, natural gas, renewable energy and all that stuff is going to be really cool. So, yeah. Okay, I'm going to do this one. Kiosha, what's up, Key? I'm talking like I know you, girl. What's up, Key? Okay, let's do Square. All right, you guys. I'm going to do like maybe 2 or 3 more after this, and then I'm going to have to let you go, because I want to get this video out for you guys tonight. Some really good information on there. Very interesting. Square, I use Square all the time for my Zoom meetings. So, you know, they're getting a cute little coin out of that. Stop playing. So I don't know why this stock is tripping like this. Oh, it's at 200. Okay, I see. So, yeah. She said, what about SQ call or put 12? First of all, that expiration date is too close, Kiosha. Okay, I'm gonna need you to do an expiration. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to push that out just a little bit. Just a little bit. So I would look at maybe an expiration at least in December. Unless you're trying to day trade. Then I would have something maybe in that week. But, oh, and it just had an earnings too. What did they do? It was a little win. It was a small little win. Now they did kind of start trading below the center line on the MACD indicator. They're trading below both exponential moving averages and our 50-day moving average. Definitely has a lot more power on the selling side with our ADX indicator. RSI is oversold. And from 269 to 230, is that more than 10%? I don't know. I don't know if that's I don't know if that's considered a downtrend. But one thing I do kind of like is we have some resistance right here. Hit this spot 2 times at 232. So it looks like we might be getting closer to this did I say resistance? I meant support. We have support right down here at 232. So let's see if we hit that. I wouldn't want to hit it, but if it goes below that, then yeah, that would definitely signify. That would definitely show me that it's kind of moving towards downtrend. So I don't know what's going on news-wise with Square. I hope everything is okay. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. Oh, Lord. Yeah, and it's, oh, okay, you said call or put. Ooh, Kiosha. I'm not going to tell you what to do, Queen. I'm just saying it's looking like it's kind of dipping right now. Even on the 180-day and on this closer one, this is a 5-minute chart over 5 days, it's still trading below the 50-day moving average. I would probably lean towards a possible put, or you can do a credit spread or something like that, a call credit spread. So as long as it doesn't get past your short, then you will be okay. So if you're going to do a call credit spread and you were still bearish on this, I might have my sell, the call that I sell, maybe at 287. That's way far up there. You probably not, okay, maybe at 270 or somewhere like that. You will still be safe and you will be okay as long as the stock doesn't cross that 270. So that would kind of be something if you wanted to do options with that. So let's see. Yeah, but that's that on that. Thank you, Kiosha. Hey, Valerie, what's up? What's up, Cali Kid? What's up, D? Okay, I'm gonna do these. All right, so I'm gonna do D, Cali, Valerie, and then I'm gonna look at Aaron's. Dang, you guys, I want to do more. I hate that I don't have this video edited. You don't understand. Like, I get so not stressed out, but it gives me anxiety. So, that's like why I'm all over the place. So I'm gonna do D. What's up, D? And this is Pinterest. Ooh, Pinterest was doing okay last week. It was kind of moving cute. Let's see. Oh, Lord. We talked about Pinterest a little bit ago, too. Hold on. Was I bullish or bearish on that? Sometimes I don't even remember, child. Let me see. Hold on, you guys. See, this is what... okay, if anybody wanted to give me a Christmas gift, there's this little thing called Remarkable 2, where you can just have everything in a little notepad, and you don't have to use paper. It's all digital. And, okay, so we were looking at this... what is this? We were looking at Pinterest back in September, and girl, I don't even write down if I was bullish or bearish. Who cares? It was probably bearish. But yeah, they just had an earnings too. Okay, they had a little win. Okay, so one thing I do kind of like about this, even though it has been a little downtrend, that's fine. But we did hit this little peak right here at 65. Right now we're at 46. God, dog. That thing plummeted. But it's looking like the MACD is kind of trying to make its way back up. I want to see it pass above the center line on the moving average. ADX isn't giving me too much. And I need to see it cross above that 50-day moving average. RSI looked like it was oversold, and it's kind of starting to pop back up. So there's some room for that. And, okay, what does she say? I need your opinion on pins, please. Do you think it will hit 65 by Christmas? Okay, boom. I feel like we on the same page. We thinking the same. Is it going to hit it by Christmas? Well, I mean, it was at 65 not that long ago. Not even a month ago. So, could it make it back up that quick? It's kind of in a downtrend right now, sis. I don't know. I feel like that's wishful thinking. And let's zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in. Okay, it had a cute day on Friday, and it's doing okay after earnings. So let's just kind of see going into next week. If you kind of see it start to move to that 49, oh, my light just died. Oops. Let me brighten these up a little bit. Hold on, y'all. Live intermission. Okay, so yeah, I would want to see it kind of move into 48, 49 range. I know it's at 46 right now, but that's kind of something. Excuse me, I get stuffy on live. I don't know why. That's kind of something that I would want to see to kind of indicate it's going up. Do I think it would reach that by Christmas? I feel like it's possible, but it's definitely going to have some strong movement upward because it's been showing a lot of strong movement downward. So we'll see. Okay, you guys, I'm going to do, who was that? That was D. I said I was going to do a couple more. Macy's is going crazy for some reason. Okay. Thank you, Robert. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Okay. I'm going to do Cali. And this is going to be Macy's. What's their ticker? Is it M? Yeah. Oops. Wrong one. Did anybody used to watch Maisie the Mouse on Nickelodeon? Maisie. I'm doing a lot, okay. Anyways, y'all too young for me. Y'all too young. All right, so one thing I love about Macy's is going crazy right now. What is their earnings looking like? They just had an earnings not too long ago. Oh my God, look at their earnings report. So they were expected to get 22 cents per share. Child, they reported $1.39, so that's a crazy earnings report. The stock has been going crazy since then. It just hit this high of 31. Very strong movement with the moving average. It kind of looks like it might be setting up to do a crossover, so I would just kind of want to wait and see what's going on with that. Just wait. ADX looks freaking amazing. Okay, you see how crazy the actual ADX line is at 42 and the DMI plus is at 44. DMI minus doesn't have a chance. It's all the way down there at 11. So we're in a strong uptrend right now, clearly, and RSI still has some room to grow. So going into next week, if I was going to do anything with that, it's at 31, 34. As long as I see it go up above that previous high of 31.88 and moving upwards in 32, then that's definitely a good indication that it's continuing on that uptrend. But you'll kind of see it did have some more selling pressure there a little bit closer. So I just kind of want to see what's going on with that going into next week. Just keep an eye on it. Anything I talk about keeping an eye on, you can just keep it on a watch list. You don't have to jump into it right away until it meets your standard criteria. I tell you guys that all the time. Don't just get into it because I talk about it. Put it on a watch list, watch it, have price targets in zones and things like that, and it's just going to make it a lot easier. All right, you guys, let's do two more. I'm going to do... Dang. Hold on. Y'all put a lot of stuff in here. Okay, let me do this one from Valerie. At the money. Oh, let me look at the options. You said at the money. You said at the money calls. Oh, wow. And their options are cheap. What? Child, I know if you got into an option like that. Oh, yes. And I know you're doing very well with that Macy's. Okay, go, Callie. All right, I'm going to do this one from Valerie, and then I'm going to do one from Robert, and then I'm going to let you guys go. You've been on here about 30 minutes. I said I was going to be on here for like 35. But let's get into this next one. And this is from Valerie TV. What's up, Val? And this is XPEV. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up for your girl, too. Please. Help me help you. Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. Oh, okay. That's that. Yeah. You my little yeah. I don't even like Lil Boosie, but. Okay, so, this stock is doing okay. What did they do with their last earnings? It's not showing me. I don't know. It said they had a negative EPS, but it's still doing well. Very much so above the moving average. And what I really like about this, even in this strong uptrend, child, the RSI is all the way down there. What? So we definitely have some room to grow and continue on that uptrend, even though it's kind of looking like it's slowing down. It's kind of giving a little bit of a divergence right here. You see how our MACD is kind of sloping down and our stock is sloping up. So could be an indication that our uptrend could be kind of starting to taper off. I would just kind of be, just kind of check that one out. Just see what's going on with it. And let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so last week it was kind of dropping a little bit. Going into next week, I'm not sure if you're bullish or bearish on this. If you were going to be bullish, I would definitely want to see it cross above or move above those previous highs that we had on Thursday and Friday, even upwards into that high we had, what is this, on Monday? 49. It was doing crazy. So let's see if we can get back to that. But if it's going to continue going down and it passes 45, then you might want to go into a put, a short-term put. So that's something that you can do. Excuse me. Okay. They got the store closing, yet the stock going up. That's probably from a lot of online sales. And I was telling my mom the same thing. I keep going into the mall. I don't see anything in there. It's just like nothing is coming. Nothing is looking cute in the mall. They don't have anything in the mall. They don't have anything at Macy's. I'm not seeing anything at Marshall's. Nothing. The only thing I see that's cute is when I go to Nordstrom and their stuff is all $1,000+. I'm not spending that. So it's probably a lot of people doing a lot of online shopping right now. That's the only thing I can think of, because they don't have anything in the store. It's a mess. And also it could be due to the supply chain issues that we have going on. So it's a lot going on. Okay, the last one I said I wanted to do is Robert. Oh, where did Robert go? Robert. Robert. Okay. I think this is this Verizon? Let me see. Is this Verizon? No, that's Visa. Okay. Visa. That's why I like MasterCard, okay? I don't know if they're the same, but yeah. This has kind of been on a little downtrend here since July. And they had a decent earning. I don't know what happened with them. But they have just been giving huge downtrend. And even though it did have that little, that little spike up, that doesn't mean anything to me. That could just be a quick little pull up to continue pulling down. Don't let them trick you. Okay, so if you were wanting to see if this is going to continue upwards, I would need to see it at least 222, 220. If not, don't play with me, because it could do that and just look. You see how it does that right there? Shoo. The MACD is still kind of trading below. It does look like she's trying to come back up. So let's just kind of wait and see what's going on with that. And then you'll kind of see our DMI plus is really trying to make some moves past the DMI minus, and our ADX is around 36. It's kind of close with this one, so I want to see. And this last earnings, it was a very small beat. So let's just kind of wait and see what happens with that. We did have a crossover though with our EMA lines here, so that's pretty cute. But I just want to make sure that it's out of this downtrend that it's been in. So, the only way that I really see that is if it starts to move above this 50-day moving average, this white line right here. That's going to be a good indication. And possibly hitting this previous support. We hit like 3, 4, 5 times at 220. Like I said, I need to see it come up to that 220. And then, yeah. That's my little yeah. All right, maybe one more. Thank you, Callie. One more, you guys. Oh, okay. Robert, you said 2:30 call, 12:17. Bam! Like we on the same page. Yeah, 2:30 call. That's kind of out of the money though. And you said 12:17. What did you say? 2:30. Where is 2:30? Hold on, y'all. Okay, so 200. That's not too bad. Dang! Look at this volume and open interest though. Wow. Okay, so their volume is 1,000. So it traded like 1,600 alone on Friday, and 11,000 people have open positions in this. Hey, follow the numbers, okay? It looks good. So yeah, that could be kind of profitable, Robert. But like I said, I really want to see it push at least to 220, and that would just kind of give me more faith that it's moving back up. So it's just kind of something to look into, but it could be cute. It looks like it's trying to move above the 50. So let's see. Valerie said, I project online store purchase increase, less people in the store. Yeah. All right, one more, you guys. My Macy's in like boom. See, it's like every time I get on live, my nose gets stopped up. It might be this fan. One more, you guys. Okay. All right, this is from Raj. And then this is going to be the last one, you guys. So this is going to be, we going back to the hood, okay? We going back to the streets. We going to the, ooh, girl. Trash. Robinhood is a mess. I don't even like Robinhood. Fuck Robinhood. Child, please. It's giving side trend. Hold on. Why isn't this thing moving? Oh, side trend. Side trend. So to be completely honest with you, just if it were me, I would just do neutral plays on this. Robinhood is not going anywhere anytime soon. The app is poo. Okay, nobody's using it. Everybody's going from Robinhood to Thinkorswim or Webull. So if I was gonna do anything with Robinhood options, I would probably do a neutral position because they're going nowhere. Okay. Oh wow, and that's why their options are so cheap. Look at this, because they know nobody wants that mess. But they do have a lot though, 6,000 open interest. So somebody's looking at it, but Robinhood is trash, girl. So good luck with them. They're trash, and their customer service is trash too. Okay. And I'm trying to keep my personal thoughts out of it, but they're trash. So that's that on that. Okay, you guys, but I told you it's already 6:40. I don't know what time I'm going to get this freaking video up. It's my fault, but it is what it is. I'm trying my best. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for joining our live. How long were we on here? 37 minutes. Okay, we had some good time in there. Now, you guys, next week, I promise you, I'm going to have the top 3 video done, so we're not even going to have to worry about that. Plug, infrastructure play. Who is this? Lawzel? Whoever just asked about plug, make sure you watch our top 3. I kind of talked about that in there, and yes, the infrastructure bill is going to be crazy for all of the energy stocks, so definitely keep that sector in your watch list because it's about to go crazy right now from November to the end of the year going into January. It's gonna go insane. So thank you guys so much for joining our live. Look for our top 3 coming up, and yeah. So all right, you guys, I'm gonna catch you next time. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Boom. Oh, it's not